Watch Domino's, a very powerful piece by Bank of America today, talking about scale, fast-growing segment, long unit growth.
Welcome to the morning live stream.
So keep an eye on Domino's. If that one turns, then the market might turn.
All right. What's on tonight?
I've got BioMarin, which has some very successful numbers about hemophilia out west at the JP Morgan conference. And Christian Peck, Zoetis is companion animals, but also livestock, and it's been a fantastic stock and will continue.
That's great. I'm trying to get her on here.
Sure. So we get Robert Peck.
Yes, we do. We get the husband. We'll see you tonight. Mad Money, 6 p.m. Eastern. Coming up after the break, the Fed chair in front of Senate.
Here we go, JP. We're going to see the Fed chair come on. We don't watch ads here. We don't watch ads. There we go. No ads. Welcome.
Supporting to the company
hit
with
the like button.
By the leadership team. Nonetheless, well, shares were trading lower.
Smash the like button. Thank you for the follows.
Keep in mind, they're still down about 20% since the start of the year, trading around 83 and change right now. IPO price was $78 a share. Lastly, Juniper Networks.
All right, let's get 100 people in this live stream.
Double upgrade, going from underperform to buy on the networking vendor. BofA analysts say management guidance seems too conservative. Those shares are also up almost 2%. David.
Something I liked in the stock chart, maybe, because it keeps going up. All right, Fed Chairman Jerome Powell is taking questions from the Senate Banking Committee this morning. This, of course, is part of his nomination hearing. We're going to take you there live after he gives his opening statement.
Welcome, Party
first,
Finance.
Let's get to Elon Moy, who has more on what we can expect to hear. Come on.
Well, David, senators plan to grill Fed Chair Jay Powell this morning on inflation, rate hikes, financial
Here we go. This is what I've been waiting for.
Bank's independence. In his written testimony, Powell tried to preempt some of that potential criticism by stating, "We know that high inflation exacts a toll, particularly for those less able to meet the higher cost of essentials like food, housing, and transportation." But Democrats
thank you for the likes, guys. Appreciate the likes.
The chairman of the committee, Senator Sherrod Brown, says the Fed should not allow Wall Street to recover while working Americans are left behind. And 3 Democrats have already said they will not vote for Powell. Senator Elizabeth Warren has raised concerns about banking regulations and ethics
oh my
rules.
God, it's so
Jeff
funny.
Merkley and Sheldon Whitehouse say Powell hasn't done enough on climate change, and he might also lose Senator Ed Markey, who recently blasted Powell as failing
how does
to
a
lead
Fed
on that
chair
issue. So that means that
a banking position is not climate change. I don't get that.
His first confirmation vote was overwhelmingly bipartisan, 84-13. But GOP senators still have some tough questions. The ranking Republican on the committee, Pat Toomey, is worried about Fed mission creep, especially into areas like carbon emissions and racial justice. Guys, Powell has been very upfront about making frequent meetings with lawmakers a priority.
We will see if it's bad or not. The market hasn't crashed, though.
That's especially important when the Fed must take
that's a good sign. Dow's only down 0.7%. Thank you for the follows. Appreciate the follow.
This hearing play out on the Hill today. Elon Moy, I have a feeling we're going to see you again shortly. So
at 301 likes, let's get to 1,000.
Let's turn back to the broader market as
hello, how's everyone doing?
Fed Chair Powell signaling what a second term could actually mean for stocks. As you can see, under a little bit of selling pressure for all the major averages again this morning ahead of those comments. And
there you go, long NVIDIA.
Charles Schwab, Chief Investment Strategist Liz Ann Saunders, and Morgan Stanley Investment Management.
Thank you for the likes, everyone.
Andrew Sliman. Good morning to you both. Liz Ann, I'll start with you. I mean, we did see that hawkish pivot by Fed Chair Powell back in the end of November. We had the Fed minutes last week that continued to gyrate markets as well. What are you looking for in terms of commentary, potential guidance from the Hill today?
So, I suppose he'll be peppered with some questions with regard to policy as opposed to what might be the standard questions associated with the reconfirmation. You had Loretta Mester out this morning saying she is sort of penciling in 3 rate hikes. You have the market expecting.
I don't think the rate hikes are going to happen.
4, so
that's when the stock market goes up, when they don't raise rates. Watch me. I'm making that prediction right now. The Fed won't raise rates. They don't want to tank the stock market.
With rate hikes. So I think that's been the reason why we're seeing the weakness in the market that we have so far this year.
Andrew, I want to get your thoughts on this as well, especially when we see a chart of the 10-year yield right now. We saw it testing that 1.8% key level earlier in the week. We saw the downdraft since the start of the year in tech and growth, this big rotation into value.
Yeah, I'm buying tech.
Something that continues here?
My average cost on Tesla is under $400.
As the market digests.
But anytime Tesla goes under $1,000, I'm buying.
Great question. So look, I think you have.
Oh, we got two legit in the house.
Uber growth stocks that are trading at.
This is CNBC.
Don't have cash flow or earnings, and
no, we're gonna just let inflation happen. Inflation helps rich people, so I think they're gonna allow inflation.
Are attractive. They sold off here.
Join the live stream, my friend. Let me see if I can invite you.
Still trading at a very high rich.
All right, sent you an invite.
So I do think there's an opportunity. Look, we're going into earnings season right now.
Join the live.
On the Fed, understandably so, but the story of last year was earnings were up. The revisions were up 27%. The market was up 28%. Because corporate fundamentals were better than
just having a coffee, nice.
And I think that's a great setup. We're about to see corporate earnings.
Oh, nice. You're with the what?
That we're focused on the Fed.
All right, turn down the volume. Now they got party finance. Good morning.
Good morning. What's up?
Did you YOLO NVIDIA?
Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. I'm up like 6%.
That's dope. Hold on, let me grab my coffee. Ugh. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna sit over here and get my face on. All right. So I bought some Microsoft. I don't have enough Microsoft, so that's what I'm trying to do right now. I'm looking at Microsoft. If Tesla goes under 1,000, I want to pick up some shares of Tesla. What are your thoughts on Tesla?
Let me see. They did really good. They had really good numbers in China for cars sold and delivered.
And they have two factories coming online, right? They got the Texas factory, and then they got the there's another factory too. Texas, China, and Berlin. So 3 factories coming online.
So it's 1,047. If it goes under like 900, 1,000 near there, I would buy.
Yeah. I'm looking to buy if it goes under 1,000. That's the price I want to add to my Tesla. So I own Toyota stock. I just don't think. Yeah, she was trying to hug me. I just don't know if Toyota will be able to catch up to Tesla. Like, I own some, but I'm not like super bullish on Toyota or even Ford. I think Ford's a lot of hype. I don't think Ford will have the technology to compete, but I could be wrong. So we'll see. What's your thoughts on crypto?
I think crypto might take a small leg down, but I think I'm bullish. Like, I'm long right now, but I think we might like fall and hit like 39K again.
Okay, yeah, because Bitcoin went up to 41 or 42, right? So it's
kind of
in that range
right now. But
I just need. They're right now interviewing the Fed chair. He just needs to say we're not going to raise rates. Even if they do want to raise rates, he should just say we're not going to raise rates, and then everything will go up. That's all he needs to do. That's all we need from JP. So Toyota is going to invest $2 trillion into EV. So yeah, maybe they catch up, but I just feel like everyone's trying to catch up to Tesla right now, and I don't see a clear winner so far when it comes to EVs. It's just Tesla. But, I could be wrong. So we'll see. What'd you do with your RV, man? What's the status on that RV?
So I'm about to move it into my new office soon.
Oh, nice.
But it's just sitting on my driveway.
So is your office like industrial or is it commercial?
So I have like a 10 by 40 like warehouse in the back, and the front is like, I think like a 100 square feet office.
Nice.
Yeah, or like 130 square foot office. So yeah, it's decent size. Not too bad.
Nice. Are you going to do any crypto mining in the office, or are you just using it for like meetings, or what are you going to do? And then like you already have this. Go ahead.
I was gonna have miners there, but I'm not mining, just like storage, and then just like keep my like cars and RVs, my toys.
Nice. So what are you gonna do with your home office? Because like you have the really
I'll
nice home
also
office.
keep.
Are you,
Yeah, this will still stay here for like when I do like TikToks at home and stuff.
and then you have your business office. That's hilarious that you have two
Yeah, dude,
offices to
I
work
have
out
a
of.
bedroom. I also have a bedroom setup which has like 2 of these monitors. So, like, it's insane. Like every room I
Dope.
have like an office.
That's dope. By the way, so my lemonade poster going viral. Like I took a ton of pictures, and I just already decided now every day I'm gonna make 3 posts on lemonade, and like most of them get at least 1,000 views, but like occasionally one of them will get like 20, 30,000 views. So I'm just gonna keep posting until lemonade actually pays out on their stupid claim.
Nice. I'm pretty sure they'll pay out like a week before or the
Dude,
day
so
of.
this contractor, by the way, he deals with fire restoration, and he says he has other lemonade claims, and he says it's the worst. Like Lemonade was the worst insurance company, and he said like they had a claim where it was like 300 grand to fix it, and Lemonade offered 80K. That was their offer for like a claim that cost 300 grand. So they have to like fight and do all that stuff. So it's just hilarious. I wish I recorded him. I think next time I see this contractor, I'm gonna have him just talk, and I'm gonna make like TikToks about because like he deals with a bunch of fire restoration properties out here, and he says that like Lemonade is just like the biggest scam. And he's kind of been following what's been going on, and he's like, for sure, you have to report him to the insurance commissioner. Like they're so in the wrong, and the reason Lemonade is doing this is because they're new. So they do this when they're new, and then they get in trouble, and then they become more legitimate. But he was like, yeah, you're probably gonna have to like notify the insurance commissioner,
Wow.
because yeah, and like that's why he said beware of new insurance companies because they can get away with it, and then once people like enough people complain, they'll cut it out. So, and then he said the best insurance company that like will actually pay out and not like string you along. He said it was State Farm. State Farm.
Yeah, they're
So
pretty.
yeah, so I'm
That's
thinking
what I have
of
mine with.
possibly switching to State Farm, like all my policies, just because like I've heard good things from all over. And if you even Google like best insurance company, State Farm comes up. So I think State Farm's doing something right. Yeah, and my Annie's roommate works for State Farm, so yeah, I'll probably
Nice.
switch to her.
Is
And if
it
anyone
Jared?
here on, excuse me,
Is it Jared from State Farm? Is that the guy?
no, State Farm was like Chris Paul. Jared is a Subway dude. And that
Oh
guy got
yeah,
in
never
trouble
mind.
because he liked little
Yeah, never
kids.
mind.
You remember Jared got in trouble because he had a thing with little kids.
Yeah, never
But
mind.
yeah. But okay, cool. Let's do like a market closing live stream. I'm gonna go hit up the gym in a little bit. But yeah, it was good that I did want to talk to you just to see what's going on. And yeah, I think I'm gonna pick up Google too. So I'm looking at picking up Google, Microsoft, and Amazon. I think are the 3 buys that I'm looking to do. What's the price on Nvidia? Is it still under 270? I might have to pick up some
It's
Nvidia
at
too.
270.
Yeah.
It
So
is
yeah, I'll
270.
probably get off this live stream and buy some Nvidia. Is Amazon still under 3,100 or is it 32?
It is 32.50.
Yeah, I went back up, but yeah, I got some Amazon at 31. Is Apple under 170 or what's Apple at?
Apple is 171.
Yeah, so maybe I'll pick up some Apple. And then I think is
I might pick up
Microsoft
some
under 310?
Arconomics took a
Oh,
massive hit.
yeah, that's cool. Okay, cool. Well, I'm gonna end this live, and I'll probably text you. But yeah, I should go live closer to when the stock market closes. So good
All
talking
right,
to you,
sweet.
man. Thank you,
Yep, take care.
everyone. Have a good morning.